Hello and welcome back to the SPRO video channel. Today we delve into an essential topic for anyone considering a CCTV setup: where to get your CCTV cameras installed for optimal coverage and security. Let's dive in. While merely having a CCTV system provides a degree of security by acting as a deterrent, its effectiveness significantly increases with correct placement. It is vital to position your cameras in the most strategic locations to maximize visibility. Here are some key areas to consider when deciding where to place your CCTV cameras. Front and back doors. Start by securing the primary entry and exit points of your property. Most intruders access homes through these doors. Position your cameras at a downward angle and out of arm's reach to prevent tampering. Off-street windows. Windows not directly visible from the street are favoured entry points for intruders. Consider installing a camera on any side of your home that's hidden from the street and easily accessible to outsiders. Back gardens and side gates. Monitoring these areas can alert you to suspicious activity and protect outdoor valuables. For locations with low light, consider cameras equipped with infrared, colour night or Starlight features. Garages and driveways. Whether it's an attached garage or a detached shed, these spaces often store valuable items. Cameras here not only deter potential break-ins, but can also aid in identifying car thieves or vandals if an incident does occur. Common indoor areas. While it's crucial to prioritise privacy, a camera in communal areas can be beneficial. This is especially true if you want to keep an eye on pets, children, or elderly family members while you're away. Those are the main areas you'll want to ensure are covered, but there are a few more details to pay attention to in order to ensure maximum effectiveness. For example, height. A common mistake people make is installing cameras too high, which can cause a number of problems, the main one being the angle of view you'll achieve. If installed too high, the angle is likely to be too steep to capture useful footage, as the view is more likely to be obstructed when looking back down and is likely to miss crucial details, since individuals will appear much smaller in the footage, making it difficult to identify faces as well as things like number plates. As a guide, we recommend installing cameras between 2 to 3 meters up or just underneath a first floor window. Lighting. Ensure your cameras have adequate lighting for clear footage, especially at night. If your camera doesn't have built-in lighting, consider pairing it with an external source. For those really dark areas, SPRO's Colour Night and Starlight technology can ensure clear colour images are captured. Obstructions. Be careful not to place cameras where they might be obstructed by trees, architectural features, or anything else. Clear visibility is paramount. While it might be tempting to point cameras only at high-risk areas, instead ensure that you have overlapping fields of vision. This eliminates blind spots and guarantees comprehensive coverage. Wired versus wireless. Wireless cameras offer flexibility, but rely heavily on a strong, dependable Wi-Fi signal, making them less suitable for professional-grade CCTV. On the other hand, wired cameras are far more reliable in the long term, ensuring they're operational when you need them most. Privacy considerations. Always be mindful of privacy laws and regulations when setting up your surveillance system. It's vital that your cameras only monitor areas within your property boundaries, avoiding any unintentional intrusions into your neighbour's property. Considering the intricacies and importance of a CCTV system, SPRO recommends hiring a professional CCTV installer to guarantee all these requirements and any additional ones you might have are met. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to setting up your CCTV system for optimal results. We hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more insightful content from us right here at SPRO.